I think most definitely they're taking the body now.
Why do they need such a big...
To cover their entire body. I guess they wrap it over. Maybe, they're covering it? The entire skin?
They're covering the area?
I guess they don't want people to see anymore.
Is this part of like because it's religious or?
Well, covering the body is. I know in religion that is also important. They don't. There's a lot of things that you are not allowed to do when it comes to Jewish bodies.
Is it a Jewish person that you did?
What? Yeah.
It is?
I think so.
Well, I shouldn't be filming it.
Oh, you can.
Yeah?
As long as you don't do it.
Isn't it strange that they would just leave the body there? Isn't it strange?
What, the body's there?
Yeah.
No. He wanted to go inside. I don't know why. But he just went straight in. So if I was a policeman, I would go after and find out why. Because he didn't say anything. He didn't say where he works, what he does. He just looks like he really wants to go in. Maybe he forgot something.
I don't know. Maybe they think they can find some evidence here.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what they were looking for.
Oh, maybe there's bullets here. I don't know. Weird. Oh, yeah. Maybe they're looking for the weapon.
I don't know. Do you think they would close off this area too?
No, not just that. If they wanted to, they would have done it by now. I think they're looking for something.
Must be true. Investigators. Are any one of these with forensics? He must be
Yeah,
with forensics.
the one that's wearing, yeah, those.
What does it say on his badge?
Oh, nothing, just Israeli police. But because he's wearing those special shoes.
Those are all his things there. Those little bags in his head.
Yeah.
His tools of the trade. Looking for this guy. That's what I want to know. Wherever this is.
I'm trying to listen. Maybe they'll say something.
They might not even say because they give too much information. They might go into panic.
No, but they're talking between themselves. But if they're too loud, I can hear.
they're doing.
Hey.
Dude, the dog is going right up to the body.
Yeah.
Oh God. He's probably trying to cover up for his partner. The dog is just like, I'm a star now.
The dog is just like, I'm a star now. I'm a star. I'm so glad. Sorry, what? Why am I a star now?
It was, yeah, right by this column.
This store is down.
That's the store?
Yeah.
Okay. Palace Jewelry. Yeah.
Is on the loose. So I just happened to be there on the spot. I went there, and nothing was going on. I was like searching my memory as far as like did I have some kind of premonition or like a flash of insight, you know, like psychic? And I'm not sure yet. I don't want to just jump and tell you like, you know, I felt something like a bad vibe.